That takes us to about a minute from now for release of satellite number 8. Now, if we continue to get video coverage as we see right now, satellite, the 8th one that will be deployed, is on the backside. You cannot see it in that view, so I don't think we're going to be able to see separation. Coming up in about 5 seconds for the next deployment.
Eighth spacecraft deployed.
Again, you saw by our graphic the Falcon 9 symbol superimposed. We lost data, it looked like, for a few seconds from the second stage. Then we got it back over the next ground station, and we have confirmed the 8th satellite has deployed on time. 2 satellites to go.